Hello, my dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Amazing Craft Ideas. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing great. Today, in this video, I bring some unique and latest ideas of Halloween cakes that you can create. These sort of unique ideas on your Halloween parties for this year. You can create different and unique ideas that people will love to create or celebrate Halloween this year with their family or friends. These unique ideas can be created to celebrate it in a more unique way. I hope you will enjoy this video. If you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my videos for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. So viewers, don't go, stay with me and watch this video till the end. I hope you will love all these ideas and would love to create them. In this video, I bring some latest or beautiful ideas of unique Halloween cake designs or collections that you want to create for this year's Halloween. You can create these ideas for different Halloween parties. You want to create night before Christmas ideas or different unique concepts for Halloween can be created. Whether you want to be create these ideas with your family or friends, you can choose different unique concepts by customizing any of these ideas in a more enhanced way. Viewers, as you have seen in this video, you can create any of these ideas to make your Halloween parties more special or unique by creating these sort of unique ideas. Mostly people want to celebrate these ideas with their family, to create these sort of ideas after family dinners or gatherings. Whether they celebrate Halloween, you can create these sort of ideas by using different color combinations or unique themes. Like skull theme cakes can be created, different pumpkin theme cakes can be created for Halloween ideas to celebrate these unique events with a more unique way. You can also use different uniquely decorated or color combinative ideas to create or make this year's Halloween more unique by adding these ideas. I hope you will enjoy this video and love these ideas. I will remind you again, if you are a new viewer to my channel and watching my videos for the very first time, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and you will receive all the updates regarding my new and previous videos. Viewers, your response and positive feedback motivates me to bring some latest ideas for you. So if you have any request, you can mention it in the comment section. I will work on it. And if you have any queries regarding this video, you can also mention it in the comment section. I will answer all your queries in it. I hope you will enjoy this video. If you really like my ideas, share it on different social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram. It helps me to grow my channel and it also encourages me to bring some latest or creatively decorated concepts or ideas for you. So viewers, I hope you will love all these ideas and create any of them. Keep sharing my video, keep supporting me like this. Thank you.